हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू कोरियोमेनिया। ये एक नई वीडियो है लोअर बैक एक्सरसाइजेस की दैट आर वेरी सिंपल टू डू। सो व्हाट आर वी वेटिंग फॉर? लेट्स गो। पहली एक्सरसाइज में यू नीड टू एक्सटेंड योर आर्म्स क्लोज टू योर ईयर्स एंड गो ऑल द वे बैक एंड देन कम फॉरवर्ड एंड ट्राई टू टच योर palms to your toes. Try exploring something new in your body each time you do this. Make a complete soft cycle of your body going all the way back and back to the ground. याद रखिएगा, हमें ये एक्सरसाइज 5 बार करनी है. Don't worry about the flexibility. You can go at your own pace. Just keep yourself calm, relaxed, and don't forget to breathe. Yes, it's very important to breathe in order to avoid body cramps. Now sit in this pose comfortably to initiate the second exercise. Keep your arms extremely strong and now contract your chest and lower back and then relax it up by making a curve at your lower back. Keep going guys, do not give up. Let your body show how strong it is. Just keep breathing and enjoy the journey. ये एक्सरसाइज भी 5 बार करनी है. अब आती है हमारी थर्ड एक्सरसाइज. Lie straight to the ground and let your head initiate the movement of your body while you go up in the cobra pose. Engage your core and keep breathing. रिलैक्स योर मसल्स. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, बहुत आराम से एक्सरसाइजेस करनी है. याद रखिएगा, ये एक्सरसाइज हमें 5 बार करनी है और जब भी हम ऊपर जाएंगे तो हमें अपनी बॉडी को उस पोस्चर में थोड़ी देर के लिए होल्ड करना है. Look up to the ceiling every time you go up and feel a good stretch at your lower back and stomach. Try and push the ground with your palms. We are halfway through, so let's just keep going and growing. Push yourself guys, because really no one else is going to do it for you. Now comes our fourth exercise. ये basically एक hold posture है जो हमें 5 बार करना है. In this exercise, you need to keep your arms parallel to each other and your arms must face the ground. Now lift your arms and your legs at an angle of 15 degree. It should seem as if you are touching the ground, but असलियत में you are not touching the ground. I know it's tough, but remember guys, we are tougher. Engage your core and just go for it. You can pace it according to yourself, but giving up isn't an option. Remember, the pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. So keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Now comes the fifth and the last exercise of the day, which is Dhanurasana. You need to really engage your core and keep breathing while you do all these exercises. Now gently grab your feet with your palms and lift your body in a bow and an arrow pose. Hold a while in this pose. This is the last exercise guys, we can do this. Let your body surprise you with its wonders. ये एक्सरसाइजेस बहुत सिंपल है, इसलिए हर एज ग्रुप इसको अटेम्प्ट कर सकता है. इफ़ यू एंजॉयड द वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फॉर मोर इंसेन स्टफ. कीप स्माइलिंग गाइज. बाय.